Yeah, here is an exercise program. So you have to write a program to calculate net salary. Program should take following inputs, that is basic salary and what is the percentage of allowances and percentage of deductions. And the formula for salary is given below. So net salary is calculated by adding basic salary plus percentage of allowances on the basic salary and subtracting percentage of deductions. So I'll show you the program, how it should work and what should be the input and output, and you have to develop the same program. A PDF for the program is also given in the resource. If you want, you can download it, but I suggest you write the program completely. If you face any difficulties, then you can see that PDF. So here I run the program for calculating net salary of an employee. I will run the program. See, here it is asking basic salary. Let us say basic salary is thousand bucks. And what is the percentage of allowances? Suppose it is 20%. And what is the percentage of deduction? That is 5. So 20% allowances means it will be 1200 and 5% deduction means 50 is subtracted from 1200, that is 1150. Yes, answer is 1150. So it should take these values and display this output. So program is also available under resources as a PDF file. You can download that.